Hello everyone! In today's video, we will be unboxing AdaTwist the scientist. She has her very own show on Netflix. Let's get Ada out of the box and take a closer look at her and all of her science accessories. Now, Ada comes with a table that you can use as a drawing board or a desk. She also sings the brainstorm song. They also included a mystery experiment card. Now, let's start taking out some of these accessories. Ada comes with these cool safety goggles for her to do her experiments. There's a little thermometer thing on the side. Cool. Now we will take out these cool little yellow gloves. Ada uses these gloves to protect her hands during her experiments. Ada also has a notebook in which she keeps her notes. This notebook opens and closes. Let's see if we can get it open first. Oh, there we go. We finally got it open to take a look inside. Now we will close it again. Now let's take out Ada's table and her purple flask. So here is the close-up on those two things. And let's see if we can get that yellow beaker out of her hand. Here it goes. Nice and sparkly. Sorry, Ada. As you can see, we dropped Ada, but she's okay. She is still dancing and singing and being her normal, happy self. She has pink socks and black Mary Janes. She also has a cool little lab coat with her polka dot dress. Now, here's Ada with her safety goggles. Let's see if we can get those on correctly. Oh, there we go. Let's hear from Ada. Hello, kids. Ready for our science experiment? Okay, we are now outside. We have our beaker, our flask, our notebook, our safety goggles, our safety gloves, and we are ready to go. I have a special friend here with me today, and she will be pouring the mixture together. Now she also has her safety gloves on, and we are ready to go. Now watch as we start to pour the vinegar inside of the baking soda, and the explosion starts to get bigger and bigger.
Look at it go.
Wow, that was so much fun. Now let's sing the brainstorm song.
I'm AdaTwist, and I'm a scientist. Oh, I never thought you had no ideas ever bad. Brainstorm, brainstorm.
For more videos,
to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye.